What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So according to the latest news, Apple's new upcoming smartphone iPhone 15 Pro has revealed that the lens module will be upgraded, and it is reported that LIKE is expected to take orders alone. IT House reported on October 14th. According to the Taiwan Economic Daily, on October 13th, LIKE held a law conference after the official release of the iPhone 14 line. There are now several reports regarding the iPhone 15 line. Lin Peng, chairman of LIKE, said that it will be difficult to assemble the new module next year because the core needs to be adjusted again. Compared with the general traditional telephoto lens, there are glass lenses and prisms, and the prices is relatively high. This is because there is a need for some adjustment. In addition to the regular telephoto lens, there are glass lenses and prisms. The prices for all these are relatively high. Lin Peng did not disclose the order dynamics of a single customer. However, there are speculations that the new iPhone 15 Pro line will be significantly upgraded next year. For the first time, the iPhone 15 Pro will come with a periscope lens design. According to Lin Peng, Apple's periscope lens may abandon the full-pay plastic lens design and use a hybrid lens design. Industry insiders revealed that Apple has extremely high requirements for the image quality of the iPhone 15 Pro module. The relevant ALD automatic layer deposition plating machine has an asking price for more than $100 million. Last year, LIKE not only spent a lot of money on purchasing machines, but also had to actively master the technology of denoising light flare. All the prisms must go to LIKE for plating. Next year, Apple's new models will be greatly upgraded, and LIKE is expected to exclusively take all prisms and telephoto lenses. Most of the smartphones in the industry come with a vertical lens design. The periscope structure can effectively solve the space limitation of the internal components of the mobile phone. By placing prisms, the refraction path of the light in the periscope telephoto lens can be extended to achieve optical zooming. The effect is in line with the trend of thin and light mobile phones. The periscope lens design was first applied to the Huawei P30 Pro. It is expected that the new iPhone 15 line will officially launch in September next year, and the prices will go more higher. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.